Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Odoo developer. Today I am going to explain my module iNOM Dashboard. First of all, you have to install two modules, iNOM Dashboard and Sales module. Then go to Apps menu, click on Apps, write your module name in search bar. iNOM Dashboard. Now you can see on my screen iNOM Dashboard module are visible on my screen. Then click on Activate. Now my module is installed. You can see. Then go to Apps. Click and write your second module name, Sales. Now you can see Sales module are visible on my screen. Then click on Activate. Now Sales module is installed. Now you can see Sales module and iNOM Dashboard module are visible on my screen. Now you can see Sales and Dashboard menu are visible on my screen. Now you can see iNOM Dashboard menu are visible on my screen. Then click iNOM Dashboard. Now you can see here it is 3 dashboard are visible on my screen. Go to Settings, click on Users, click Users. Now you can see here it is 2 users are visible on my screen. Then click your mutual admin. Now dashboard field are visible on my screen. Choose admin. Then go to settings. Here admin are assigned to the dashboard administration group. Grant dashboard access, define permission, manage user right. Go to users, then click on groups. Now search. Click on iNOM Dashboard Admin. Then click add a line. Add a line. Choose your admin. Then click on save. In this screen, the administration is configured the iNOM Dashboard admin group. The mutual admin is assigned to this group, which provide administrative right over dashboard operation. Additional user can be added through the user tab, while permission and inherited access can be reviewed from the other tabs. Now go to click on iNOM Dashboard. You can see all dashboard are visible on my screen. You can create new dashboard on click on new. I have already 3 dashboard. Click on my first dashboard. Here it is various type of field like sequence, active, permission, personal dashboard, layout columns, color index. Choose a layout column according to you. Choose any color. Then open. This screen provides dashboard name, sequence, company, layout columns, color index, enable active, save the record. Choose required layout columns. The layout determine how widgets and charts will be displayed. Use the save button to save the dashboard settings. This screen show my first dashboard. The dashboard is active and configured with a 3-column layout. General settings such as a sequence number, company and color index are defined. At this stage, no dashboard item have been added. The dashboard can be opened, duplicate or further customized. Inside the item tab, go to click on open dashboard. Now you can see add items, new dashboard, manual, edit layout, reset, export, import. Now click on add items. Now you can see here it is various type of tile, KPI, bar chart, horizontal bar, line charts are visible on my screen. Then click on tile. You choose any according to you. These all are the items. Click on item name. Tile. You can write any item name according to you. Source model. Sales dot order. Layout. Choose any layout. Background color. Choose any background color. Icon. Choose any icon. Measure type. Choose any measure type according to you. I choose count of records. Data field. Deliver date. You can choose any creation date, delivery date, expiration, last update on order date. Color palette. Choose any color palette, default, cool, warm, neon. Number of system. Choose any number of system, 1000, million, billion, plain. Then click on create item. Now you can see here tile item are visible on my screen. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mitchell admin are visible. This screen show a number of counts. 4 Mitchell admin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click on add item. You can choose any item according to you. I choose bar chart. Item name. Source model. Sale order. Measure type. Sum of field. Group by. Customer. Month. Date field. Cool. 1000. Then click on create item. Fail to save the item. Sorry for my mistake. Okay. Now click on create item. Now you can see this on my screen. Bar item are visible on my screen. Now you can see bar item are visible on my screen. Gemini Furniture, Ready-Made, Lumber, INC. Gemini Furniture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gemini Furniture count 0.01k. Ready-Made count OK. Lumber INC count OK. Click on 3 dots. You can see here it is duplicate, chart, export, delete, configure. Then click on configure. Text color. Choose any text color. Background color. Save changes. Now you can see the color of this item are changed. Then click on duplicate. Now you can see duplicate copy of this item are. Then click on chat. You can chat here. Then click on export. This item are downloaded. You can see. Then click on duplicate. Now you can see tile. 3 items on tiles are visible on this screen. Manual 30 seconds. Auto refresh every 30 seconds. You can change according to you. Layout, edit layout. H plus. H plus increase the height. H minus decrease the height. W plus increase the width. W minus decrease the width. Dashboard refreshed. Dashboard downloaded. Now you can see export and import are visible on my screen. Now you can see my first dashboard. Click on this 3. Now you can see duplicate. Dashboard could not be duplicated. Configure. Now you can see first dashboard are visible. Go to overview. All dashboard are visible. Then click on configuration. All dashboard are visible. Templates. All templates are visible. You can create new template. Click on new. Click on settings. You can see record limit default. Default date filter apply to newly created dashboard. Last 90 days. This month. You can choose today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month. Dark theme. Now change light. Allow custom SQL. Enable custom SQL query mode. Allow custom to check this checkbox. You can write a custom SQL query. Then click on save. Now go to iKnow dashboard. Now you can see the dark mode is changed to light mode. Then go to settings. Click users. Click groups. Search iKnow. Users. Add a line. Mark demo. Save. Click users. Mark demo. Change mark demo password according to you. Now go to iKnow dashboard. Click on my first dashboard. Now you can see item tabs are visible. On this item tabs, 4 items are visible. Tile, bulb, tile copy, tile second copy. Then click on date filter tab. Now you can see global date filter. You can change according to you. Then click on access control tab. You can see group access, user access. Then click on user access. Then click your user, mark demo. Then click on description. You can write any description according to you. Then click on save button. Now I am logging as a mark demo. refresh this page. Now click on iNOM dashboard. Now you can see my first dashboard, global date filter this year, layout column, custom grid, item 4, company, your company. Click on my first dashboard. Open dashboard. Now you can see here it is 4 tile bar, tile copy item are visible on my screen. Then click on 3 dots. Click on configure. Now you cannot change any color according to you, because only admin can change this item color. Configure, duplicate, chart, export, delete. Click on duplicate. Now you can see fail to duplicate the item. User cannot change any item. Configure, duplicate, chart, export, delete. Action. Then click on delete. Now you can see this action cannot be done because user cannot change any layout, edit layout, delete button, export, chart, duplicate, configure. These all are access, configure, duplicate, chart, chat, export, delete. Only admin can change. This is overall functionality of my module. The iNOM dashboard module is in an Odoo dashboard management tool that allow user to create customizable dashboard for visualizing business data through KPI, chart, tiles and reports. It provides an easy to way monitor important information from different Odoo models in a single place. The module help user create multiple dashboard, display important business metrics, organize data using charts and KPI cards, monitor records from different models. Centralized information. User can view import data from various models in one location. Visual reports and KPI help management analyze performance quickly. Time saving, customizable layout, access control, reusable dashboard. This is overall functionality of my module. Thank you.